What's up, guys? Today we'll be building a Lego piano. It does require quite a few pieces, but you can substitute for most of them. So yeah, that's what we're building today. First, you'll need a 2x6 plate, and we will be starting by making the keyboard keys first. So what you'll need is two 1x1 tiles, and they go on the edges there, like that. Then you need these grill pieces in white, and you put in 4 of them, and you put them along the 2x6 like that. Then what you need to do is you need to get these 1x1 black plates and sit them on top of those remaining studs. Now what you need to do is you need to grab another 2x6 tile, a plate, and stick that on top of those studs like that. So now you can see those grills at the back. Then what you need to do is you need to get two 1x6 bricks and put them on that overhanging 2x6 plate. Now what you need to do is you need to grab two of these. These are 1x2 bricks. They go on these very far sides. So you'll need two of them like that. Now what you need to do is you need to grab this piece, which is a 1x4. That can go in there. Then you get a 1x4 plate and put that on there, on the 1x4. Then you get two 1x2 plates and put them on the 1x2 bricks, like that. So that is the piano. If you want, you could add like a little microphone like that, and that would take it to another level. So remember, like, subscribe, and stay tuned.